I have pretty much the rest of the engine taken apart for this Lb7 Duramax, and took these heads off. Got all the upper parts here getting cleaned up. Most of it's clean. Valve covers and stuff. Turbo. Here's the engine block. This is what you look for, these marks that look like scratches. And if those are still there, then you know the pistons are still good and getting grip with the piston rings. This can all be cleaned up, all this surface, and I'm going to flip it over and take off the upper and lower oil pan and seal all that up. So I'm not videoing the whole process of how I took all that apart. You just keep taking stuff apart, straightforward. So yeah, put together this Duramax truck and get the performance parts on there and turn a rust bucket into a bucket of money.